Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you all came back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Bump Boxes unboxing. This one I got for May, so I'll show you what I got. So when you open up the box, it comes with this little card. Says relax, we've got you covered. And then it has all the items listed and how much it retails for and what the box is worth. It says the box is worth $60. I did not pay that much. I forgot how much I paid, but you sign up on the website and I think they have a discount code for their first box. So I'll show you what I got in this month's box. So here, I got this little mug. It says Coffee, Chaos, and Cuddles. Super cute. It's really tiny. I feel like I would have to drink 2 of these to get my regular coffee amount in. But maybe I'll use it for like lemonade or something else. Maybe eat a parfait out of it. One of my videos coming up, I'm going to be making parfaits, so stay tuned for that. But this mug is really cute. The next item I got is a face mask. Face the Day Sheet Mask. Cooling, fresh, youthful. Benefits: soothing, reduces redness, hydrating, restoring. That's what I need, hydrating. My skin has been so dry from the winter time, so I'm excited to use this. The next item I got is a scrubber, daily body scrubber. It says it's organic, vegan, and never tested on animals. So I'm excited to try this out. And then I got this note here that says, we upgraded your Glow Organics body lotion to a Glow Organics belly butter this month. So I'm assuming it's referring to this. I have received this in a previous box, so I'm not upset that I got another one because I love this stuff. I use it all the time. It's pretty thick, but it's doing its job. I haven't gotten any stretch marks. Can't smell it because it's closed. Says organic shea and cocoa butter, belly butter, pure and organic. So I really like that and I'm excited I got another one. And then the last item I got is actually broken, but it's this wooden massager. There's a spring that fell out. I'm assuming it's supposed to go in here. I tried putting it back together, but it just keeps falling apart. So I'm probably going to message Bump Life, or Bump Boxes, sorry, and let them know it's broken because, I mean, I technically paid for all this stuff, so why should I receive a broken item? But this would be nice to you to massage the lower back or my calves have been hurting, so those are the items I got in my box. It's really fun getting a box every month. It's like a surprise items you can use while pregnant, so I highly recommend signing up. So thanks again for coming back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I post videos every Sunday, so see you next week.